turn, you know what it is. Let's get it. Check it, man. But having a little issue, so I'm back driving the Slider. Alright. Tahoe been scrubbing like hell with them 30s on that motherfucker. The shocks in the back bad. Alright, as y'all seen from the last video, the shocks are fucked up. Okay? I'm not even finna try to fix that problem because after I looked at how much it was, I was like, hell no, I can't do that. I'm not finna do that, okay? You talking about $600 for some damn shocks? No, hell no. On 400 shocks for getting a whole lift kit, not happy. So, I thought of a little idea. Man, we're gonna try this idea out and it should work. So let's go and jump into it. Let's get it. Alright guys, so as y'all already knew, I was telling y'all how bad my shocks was. Cool. So what we finna do now, I went to the store. Man, this truck came with the auto air ride, man. Alright, I'm tell you now, that shit is some bullshit. It's good if it works, but if it don't work, man, try to get that shit off of your vehicle. So what I'm finna try to do now, I'm finna basically try to find another solution so that my ass end won't drop so much. The problem is now, when I go across an incline, like coming up that hill, or going up to the highway, man, the whole fucking everything just bottoms out. So in order, the conversion kit like $500-600. So what we doing, we finna add some of these in here, man. We're gonna add some of these, basically they coil spring spacers, and basically what they do is they, you know, help you with the pressure of your spring. Because these trucks came with air ride, they got air ride springs, which is a lot softer than regular coil springs. So we can add them over here, and that should fix this problem. Finna also go ahead and try to see if we can start putting this back together as well. Just trying to get the truck back up to par. You know, meanwhile still working on the house, getting the truck up to par. And hey, it's a lot going on, man. We're gonna take it one day at a time. So I'm finna go and do that, and I gotta straighten that cut out there. That cut is horrible, man. I was looking at this cut, I'm like, fuck, man, what the fuck was I thinking? I did overcut it a little, it's cool. I'm gonna mold that bitch in, you will never tell. Let's get it. All right, guys, so this spring right here, man. Now, a lot of folks be like, I wouldn't do that and that. Bro, all my airbags are bust. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these in here for extra support on the spring side. I'm gonna take these off eventually. I'm gonna order me some shocks today. And then I'm gonna change the shocks and just put me some nice heavy duty shocks on here. So, you know, I'm trying not to go spend $500-600 for a conversion kit. You know, cause that's just too much money. $500-600 for me. To y'all, it probably not be much, but to me, I ain't got no $500-600. Fuck that. Not for no damn springs. All right, fuck it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding these in here. And these right here is very simple. You can get these from AutoZone, Advance, any part store, even offline, eBay, Amazon, everywhere. And I'm gonna add these under here. And it should, you know, help the spring a lot from compressing all the way down. So it'll stop it from compressing all the way down. You can use this right here to lift it or lower it, just to let you know. In this case, we need to help the spring. So yeah, a lot of folks be like, oh, just go to the junkyard, bro. I live in a country ass town, man. Ain't no junkyard. All right, you gonna catch hell trying to get to an AutoZone, so ain't no junkyard and nothing like that. So give it up. All right, so we're gonna add these in here. Then we'll go for a little test drive and see if we still scrubbing bad. Cause we was scrubbing bad. I'm talking about riding down the road, hitting the gas and you know, damn sure ain't got no money for no tire. So yeah, we're finna go ahead and get into it. Let's get it. Alright guys, back at it. Didn't get a chance to finish the video yesterday. It was a little bit busy. But as you can see, it did pick the rim up, and I did have the chance to put a little bundle down here, sand it down, my phone the inside, put a little bundle down there, and got that little restaurant right there. So she back good on over there and over there. But as y'all can see, we ain't scrubbing. I'm on the incline, she ain't going down. So this right here may help a lot of people, man. See, bundle. You know, this right here may help a lot of people. And I didn't need to put, let me climb under here. I didn't even need to put both of them in there. I could have just used one. All right, when I put both of them in there, it kind of got my truck sitting up a little bit too high. But it's okay, I'm not scrubbing or nothing like that. But I'm just a little bit too high. So, yeah. I mean, but it does work. So if your shots go bad, as you can see, and that's with the wall back there. If your shots go bad, I mean, put your couple of them in there so you can afford to get some. Keep rolling, man. You don't never stop rolling. I mean, that's just simple. So guys, that's all I got for you. Yeah, we got a little cool back here. I don't know if y'all remember Spoil Brett, my little cousin. She be killing them women on these, man. I swear, man. She be killing them, man. That one woman there that gonna go hard, boy. She be killing them, man. She off and up now trying to get a CDL, so, hey. Gonna be room for cuz on the sideline while she go ahead and try to get a CDL. Like I say, man, she got it. We ain't gonna worry about that. She got it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like I said, man, I'm still gonna do a giveaway in a little bit. So, just stay tuned. Just stick around. Giveaway is coming. We gotta get done putting the front plate on the truck. We got to the point where we could drive it now. That tire there still going down a little, so we're gonna have to probably just take it off, take it to the shop and get a rebead seal before it go bad. It'll take a couple of days for it to go down. Yeah, I had to move, rotate, man. Shit started fucking my arm. So we're gonna probably take it to the tire shop and get that situated and let them put a new bead seal around it. Excuse me, y'all. After that, we're finna go ahead and try to get the paint. We want to put some paint off in this one right here, man. We want to put some paint on her. You know, she alright, but man, we ain't feeling that. So we're gonna try to get that done right now. It's a lot of more stuff to come, man. So, like I said, y'all just stay tuned, man. Let's get it.